But good evening, everyone. Welcome to Cape Henlopen State Park. We are up in Delaware for another Becoming an Outdoors Woman weekend, or BOW. This time I'm taking, well, I already did fire starting. Hopefully that'll help me out when I go camping next time. Tomorrow I'm doing surf fishing and campfire cooking to help myself out even more with my campfire skills. But we are out here at this park. We're just taking it all in. It's taking me a good 30 minutes to figure out the map and how to read it and get myself oriented in order to navigate the trails. So we're going to hit one of these trails, one of these smaller trails, because I only have about 30 minutes before dinner is served. But I hope you enjoy this session of Becoming an Outdoors Woman. I really do enjoy these classes. Delaware, out of the 3 states that I've been to North Carolina's and West Virginia's as well. I think I had the most fun last year. They allowed us to camp, and I really enjoyed that aspect of it. But otherwise, guys, I hope you enjoy my BOW weekend. Hopefully I catch something surf fishing, other than driftwood. But I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves. I hope you're enjoying yourselves, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.